Another one of those talks. Redemption time, dude. I need my face back. I'm sure I'll end up uploading the shortly after this. I need my face back. That's all I'm gonna say. That's a little embarrassing, but at the same time, it happens. It shouldn't happen anymore, though. And I'm gonna say that right now. It gets to a point where that just shouldn't happen anymore. And the moment really, really took me away. Even if it's not the same caliber fish, as long as there's a big one, I should be able to shut up about it. So let's try to get my face back. I might title this episode "Caleb Gets His Face Back." If I get my face back. My brother said it was too early. Third cast with this bad boy. I know where my mind drifts off to. First time using this lure. Cranks down to the right depth. So as I was saying, really got him hooked. I can tell these guys aren't seeing any sunlight. No sunlight at all for this guy. Hanging out in the depths. In the depths, my boy. Slab. If you're having a crappy day, you know what to do. My boy's like, oh, junk, how did I end up out here? I was just deep down in those depths. Deep down in the depths. Double beetle. If I was this fish, I would have bit this rig. Oh man, he fought just like a freaking... Yes, finally. I don't know how I have him hooked, but stay down, man. Stay down. That's a decent fish.
Crappy roe.
Golly, that thing is huge. Yeah, you don't see those often. Good. Yeah, we'll weigh him up. But yeah, bro. Joe's got these in here, bro. That thing is a slab, dude.
For real.
Okay. At least I got the one more I was talking junk about. On the Danielson. Pretty big crappie.
Yep.
That catfish looking pond.
I was trying to like. Why didn't really connect? I was walking all around it.
Is a YouTube freak.
Record it and clip it and put a short out for Carolina Bait and Tackle for a discount. Back. What up, Cobb?
Kabbalah. What you got going on with that purple wire?
Carolina Bait and Tackle. No, I've never been here in my life.
Oh, you got it.
100%.
It's pretty cool. This man's recording.
Yours can't do this though.
Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Mine fell into the water. That's why.
That's crazy.
Hey, man. I'm gonna catch you later.
Carolina Bait Tackle. It's a fish store. Oh, it's in Henderson.
Oh yeah, they got it right at the door.
Alright, guy. What? The Guggen?
Yeah. Yeah, they do have the Guggen right at the door.
Alright, bro.
Alright,
Later.
later. I'm gonna start investing in a net, and so I don't lose any fish anymore. Where's Cobb? He's already looking through the Z-Man. True Z-Man. Yo, I might end up getting some of this. Pretty nice so far, pretty nice.
Where's the creek bait section? Still done?
All the way in the back.
All the way in the back?
Yeah.
30% off, so that rod probably you can get it right now for like $45.
Clearance table from blind to boat. Check it out. Everything. Got the BFS version of that. Cobb, look, we got the BFS version of these. Did you see these? We got the BFS version of these.
Yeah, sure do. Certainly do.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, now you see the difference in the spool?
Yeah, I do actually.
So, but if you, yeah.
It's like
So it will throw lighter stuff, no doubt about it.
Yeah.
But if you look at that spool on this, that one I gave you, the BFS version.
Yeah.
And you look at this, compare it to the spool of my Japanese reel.
Yeah, oh, it's different.
The Japanese reel, first of all, it's not solid. It's more air than it is metal. It's honeycombed. So the lighter the spool, you know, the lighter you can cast. So this is heavy. Like, and you got so much line on it, and I barely got any line on that rod.
So I guess that makes a big difference. I didn't know that. What worm you recommend, Vin? I'm over here. I've been throwing worms lately. This one right here. This
Honestly,
this perch.
I didn't. It wasn't this worm, but I didn't hit on from Savage on this type of worm right here. But that.
Wacky.
Pig stick.
I'll be throwing that 4-inch yum deer.
I've been throwing like this.
Yeah, this
color.
one does get hit
I've
too,
been throwing
though.
like this color and I've been getting hit.
Black and blue.
It's like a yeah.
How is that 6-inch?
5.
Crush City.
Damn, that looks big.
Hey man, I feel like those definitely hit though.
Bruce.
Chartreuse.
Oh shit. Chartreuse is the chartreuse. That's my color. Like I'm.
Yeah, what do you think of this?
I think it's great. I'm gonna get into
What?
damn micro wacky worm,
It's
Bro.
pretty much gonna slap.
bro. Have you seen those Moondog micro wacky worms?
Nah, they're
You
like,
haven't, dude?
I think they're like small. Well, actually, they're real small, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Colin showed me. But yeah, I was gonna say, honestly, right now, I'm getting the vibe that the dinks are probably getting ready to hang out in the bottom of the ponds.
Yeah.
But the big ones are kind of like still feeding up shallow still, in my opinion. They still got a little bit before they shut down completely. That's just me though. Where the swim baits at, man? Let's just get crazy. Oh wow, dude, yeah. Dude.
Little chartreuse.
Golly. That looks like a crazy color. I'm keeping that. Dude, no, it's like you see this every day.
See the
Do
gold
you?
one?
Yeah, that's like, yeah, root beer. Yeah. That should be like moon something, right? Oh, opening night, yeah. Bro, pink glow, bro. I still need to collect that, bro. I'm still collecting those, V.
What?
All the colors. I'm gonna collect all the colors. I don't even have that one yet. I don't even have that one yet. There's a bunch left. They got so many, bro. But they're good, though.
I know.
Maybe they got more down here. I got this one, though. It's like a blue, natural looking color. And I got that Disco Cisco. See, this is the Houdini I was talking about earlier. I was trolling, but look at this color. Yeah, that'll be great. That's a great color. Yeah, easy money. I'm telling you, man. They got some pretty good colors. And then on top of that, once you choose one of these, you want to go ahead and find some jig heads.
Yeah.
Facts. That I would recommend doing that kind of swim bait. It just lasts you a lot longer. But dude, if they have the ones here, man. Nah, they had some Hercules here. I was gonna say you could just keep some Hercules. That's so sick. That is so sick. That's gonna get bit, man.
Oh,
If it's a glide, it's gonna get bit. That's crazy. That's cool. Hopefully it works out. I mean, it's not super expensive. I probably won't buy it. Yeah.
That one.
Hmm?
The white one.
The white ones out of all of them? You think so?
What is this? I think I ain't never heard of that.
That's duck hunting.
Oh, okay.
To be honest, that's still nice though. Like, I'm thinking about buying a jacket today actually. I've never been duck hunting, but it still goes. That's like for me, like the threshold into hunting. Dude, you see, this is that ugly stick I keep telling people about. This thing is beautiful. Or one of the. This is what we got so far. What you think, Cobb?
What are we doing with the fish slap?
Nah, we're putting that back.
Okay, so that's done for.
Yeah. I don't want me. See, look, even them little vests right there hard, V. Even them little vests go hard, bro. But I might end up with this one right here. I need me something to fish in that's more warm. So, it's been a quiet few weeks. If you've been with me, you've been keeping up with the channel. I appreciate you from wherever part of the world you're from. Apparently, my #2 nation is Japan, so shout out to Japan. I appreciate you guys very much. And I can tell you all my friends do as well. And family. I've had a lot going on in between work lethargic where I live and where I'm from, and there's ways around it. My cousin caught a 4 1/4 yesterday, a bass, and I went out there. I fished all day, didn't get a single bite or anything. And as soon as I told my brother, hey, we should start throwing worms, because you know, if you're like a search bait kind of guy, you kind of want to just keep moving. You want to do 100 casts a day. Sometimes when it comes to this winter time, I like to experiment and throw what I consider slow fishing, and worms, jigs, that kind of stuff. All that's kind of really slow, and but it really works all year long, especially if you live in North Carolina. It's one of the places that I feel that you can actually fish all year long, depending on how you play your cards. I'm about to go see C's at this bridge point where it all began for me. If you go back to my first few videos I've had on the channel, I was catching chain pickerel. Caught my PB last year out of this creek, and there were some bass there too. Hopefully by the time I get there, Caesar has left some fish for me to catch. Just really want to take this time to really just thank everybody for the year. I plan on doing a video compilation of my top maybe 5 best catches, and I think that'll be awesome. I've had some really awesome topwater eats, some really awesome just light lure, light line, light tackle fights. We'll close out this year on a good note. I had some goals set and I've reached them, and I didn't want to go too crazy because I'm nobody, but the channel is going in this direction. It's not going in this direction, so thank God for it. It's pure fun at the end of the day. If it ever becomes anything more, it's going to be awesome, because it's just what I like to do. It's my obsession, it is my passion, and I understand that a lot of you that do support me, it may not be yours, but I just want to take the time to thank you for that. And I would appreciate it if you guys shared it to a buddy that is all about fishing. Maybe they have some input that they could help me with. Catch you guys on the chest mount, and hopefully today is the day we catch. I would like to catch a chain pickerel, I'm not gonna lie, but today I am trying to catch a fish, so let's make that happen. These? Oh, you're on the other side. Any luck? Hey, it's pretty warm. I know they in here. I got skunked like yesterday pretty bad. It's funny because I was like, David, put on a worm. Shanzi shows up with a worm. They bite the worm. We tried everything else but the worm. One could say it ain't cold enough. which is something I don't want to hear. We was frozen. And for all I know, it's not the right color. You're not gonna hit them up today, or you are? Ah. Bro, I don't walk all the way back through there, bro. To the other side. I don't walk through to the other side. You did? And caught a little baby pickerel over there too. This side hits a lot more though. Oh, dude, I just had a fish come get this. Yeah. It was little though, but he came after it. Well, I guess no luck. The old famous bridge. Old famous creek. Briar Creek. We'll call it Briar Creek there. But C's finna take us to a new spot. Or new to me. Hopefully she produce. New spot with C's. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. It says it's on 37, but it keeps dying. Oh, I think I got one. Oh, what was that? What? Could have been a stick. Paddle tail for the win. Oh, chatter. Nice. There's life. Yeah, I'm about to switch over to that chartreuse in a second. They're warming up to it. Stay on. That's a big fish, Waco. Ah, stay on, please stay on. No.
Dude, that's a big one, bro. I'm trying to. You gotta bring him this way.
That's my PB right there.
Dude, this is a PB.
PB right there, son.
Oh my god.
My goodness, dude.
That's how you do it,
Told
bro.
you the worm, bro. That's
Bro.
my PB right there.
Dude.
Oh my god. Dude. Oh. I'm shaking again.
What'd I tell you?
Go right out.
See one kalenga.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna PB up together then, twin. That was a good fight though on the worm. 7-4, hey. They PB'd up, man. Right before the end, right before the end of the year. That head is so big, bro. That is incredible. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this. No, Carlen's was 7.6.
Yeah. Hey, could have lost some weight during the winter. Prestige taking me out here to catch this gigantic fish. Oh my goodness. Yeah. See if this big girl's ready to go. I think she is though. I thought he fell off at one point, Waco. Yeah, I thought it fell off, but it was swimming towards me. Bruh. I guess that's gonna be my only fish of the day. Oh shit. There we go. And then a backlash. Really badly. Really badly. Definitely worse, but oh, there's a fish right there. Dude. Come on, come on. Bet you won't do that again. Man, it felt nice to feel another bite. What a way to finish off the year. Didn't think I was gonna, my goal was to catch a 4-pounder at some point. Now break my PB. God is so good, man. That is incredible. It's not like I talk junk about worms at all, but as much negligence as I've given worms, like in general, like I knew it was gonna be a worm that got my PB one day, and it was. I guess today's the day, and what a way to finish off the year, man. Seriously, like incredible. The shakes came back, you know. That's such a good feeling when you can just see the fish in the water, and you're like, yeah, that's got to be the one, you know. Hey, shout out to Seas, man. Would have never happened. I would say take every opportunity that you can and make them count. You guys know that I only started throwing worms like fall and now winter time, so it's like I feel like I throw worms during the season of the sticks, so probably it might be something new I might be introducing to my life. Honestly, might just start throwing worms in the fall and probably all throughout like February. Honestly, I mean, you throw a worm out, you throw a watermelon worm out, that's gonna hit all year long. Maybe words cannot describe exactly how I feel. Crazy stuff. And on that note, I'm about to go see my house. We're closing in on the house. God bless. God's good, man. God's been so good to me this year. And I want to take this time just to give a shout out, you know? Just want to take this time to really be thankful for everything, for life in general, and hopefully many more blessings to come. I'll have a new little dungeon to record from and do content from. And also, I'll be able to see how creative I get with my space. Hopefully I get to record and hopefully I get to show you guys some cool stuff I make at the house. I'll do my best, but God bless, and I hope to see you guys pretty soon here. Thank you for bearing with me. It's been quite the year. Quite the buzzer beater.